Good morning, everyone. Today we are moving into a very important topic, generic code generation algorithm for compiler in code generation. Before we are going to this session, uh, think of a compiler as a translator, just like a Google Translate. Convert one language into another. Our compiler converts intermediate code into machine code. But unlike human languages, machine code has strict efficiency and registers rules. The same way, we analyze the objectives, understand the generic code generation algorithm, and learn how intermediate code instructions are converted into machine code. First, we imagine a developer writing a Python app that must run smoothly in a mobile device with a limited memory and battery. But the challenge is how do we convert the code into high level or intermediate code into efficient machine instructions that use minimal power or minimal resources. That is exactly the purpose of code generation. And then it's the main problem is efficient translating IR. The key problem is how to translate IR into optimized machine code for the target system efficiently, correctly, and with minimum resource and optimizing performance. Which machine instructions to use and how to assign registers and how to minimize the instruction count. So for the content delivery, the generic code generation algorithm steps are follow. First, we get the output from the previous compiler phase as a input, and also choose the equivalent target machine instructions for each instruction IR, and then allocate the registers, and then generate the target machine or assembly instructions, and perform small improvements like peephole optimization to remove redundancies. Then, for an example, we ideate that is instruction selection, register allocation, and people optimization. So, perform the small improvements for this phase. And prototype. Let us take an example as a prototype x equal to a plus b star c. Intermediate representation as T1 equal to B star C, then X equal to A plus T1, and then generated machine code, move R1 comma B, and then move R1 comma C, add R1 comma A, and then move X comma R1. And then going here we can see how compiler converts abstract operations into efficient and sequential instructions. Then taken an activity, let us have a quick task. Given to few lines of machine code to you. Try to apply the instruction selection, equal optimization to make it shorter or faster stress. Okay, for example, can you replace two move instructions with one using registers more wisely? Take a activity. Then applications, embedded systems, efficient code generation for limited devices. Then it also used for cloud compilers, JIT in JVM, and also AI hardware tensor compilers that generate optimized GPU or DPU code. Then going to summarize generic code generator translate IR into machine code. It balances efficiency, accuracy, and resource usage. The major task here is instruction selection, the register allocation, and then people optimization. Then remember, a good code generator doesn't just translate, it thinks like a hardware engineer. You, what are the challenges did you face in optimizing the code during the activity? Think and share. Thank you.